we might experience a free fall on BTC around 63 to 65k region. GM, everyone, this is Bongret Solomon. You are welcome to Trade with Bongret daily series on BTC. Alright, so if you watch the free fall on BTC, you understand that first of all, there's a lot of fundamentals flying around. Trump, Iran, and the rest of them. You can see there is still a lot of bombing. Some of the macroeconomics are really affecting the market, So, and if you understand how fundamental controls the market, you will really understand the fact that Bitcoin is not just Bitcoin is not just going down because you want to go down. Rather, there's a lot of fundamental pushing it to the downside. So don't be carried away. Very soon on the TR, you will start hearing Bitcoin to 30k, 50k, 20k, 15. Some people are even saying Bitcoin is going to 15k. Anyway, this is not an attempt to put argument with them. They are right. Anything you say in this market, you are right. You are only right in respect to time. So is Bitcoin going to 30k today? The answer is no. Can it go to 30k tomorrow? The answer is yes. So that's why I said you are only right in respect to time. Can Bitcoin go back to 100k? The answer is yes. Will it happen today? The answer is no. Can it happen today? The answer is yes. Can it happen tomorrow? The answer is yes. You see. So if you watch all those scenarios, you will see that whatever you say in this market, you are right in respect to time. This is where some people are misunderstanding it. I was having a discussion with my friend 2 days ago. I told him that if you check the weekly time frame, that you understand that market is still screaming 63, 65, 64 region, and the level of price action playing in the market now, you can see that this area that I just marked is really screaming for BTC to come. There's a lot of order here that BTC need to come and pick. And if you check your liquidity heat map, you understand that there's a lot of liquidity. If I go to the daily, you see it. You see the fact that all these junctions you are seeing here are all liquidity. Okay, so that's not the aim today. Let's go. Please, if you are watching the short clip of this analysis, please do well to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can have access to the full video. Okay, so let's dive into it. What do we have on BTC today? I told you guys yesterday that Asians, if you hear the saying, there is a popular saying in the Africa and Nigeria region that aura for aura, akara for akara. This is, I think, is this Asian word that really implemented this. What do I mean? I told you guys a few days back that you cannot sell and expect Asians to buy most of the time. In fact, 90% of the time. If you are selling, once it's Asian session, they will show you how to sell well. Okay? And the same, inversely, if you are buying, Asians will come and show you how to buy well. That is, if you understand this, all these things and how most of this trading session works, you will really be 90% ahead of most of other traders. Okay, BTC was both London and UK session yesterday was just dangling, trying to sell. They were dragging feet. Look at the Asian market opened immediately, and BTC we are selling massively. So what do we have today? Let's see. This is the high of yesterday. This is my yellow line. This is the low of yesterday. And if you watch, Bitcoin is currently trading below. And I can assure you, I'm fully bearish. I said it since yesterday. I'm fully bearish on BTC. Okay. So, and I can assure you, this low of yesterday can definitely serve as a resistance for us to have a short trade today. On a downtrend, you look for short position, and then on an uptrend, you look for a long position. Okay, so if you must trade today, market is shorting already, your best bet is to look for short entries. Okay, if you are trying to buy this market now, you are just trying to catch a falling knife. So what do we have today? I told you all these junctions you are seeing here, these junctions are all liquidity. So where I am, I will comfortably wait for Bitcoin to buy, to start looking for a buy position is around this zone, around this 68, 65, 63 region. So let's watch and see the reactions of Bitcoin. If you see Bitcoin pulling back to retrace around this zone, you can start looking for your short entry there. Okay, so but on the general note, I am bearish on Bitcoin, and you can see it from the chart that the market is moving aggressively to the downside. Okay, so not much talk to emphasize on today. Okay, and don't forget, this is not an attempt to give you signal. This is an attempt to give you bias on what you should look out for, and I believe we have done justice to that this morning. Okay guys, so thank you so much for having us again today. I will see you in our analysis tomorrow. Don't forget, today is Thursday, the 28th. Yeah, is it 28th? Yes, the 28th of May 2026. The month is wrapping up already, and at the end of the month we'll still look at the general monthly review on BTC. Okay, do well to share this video, subscribe, and follow all our channels for more educational content like this. Alright, and remember, I will self Bongret Solomon. I will see you again tomorrow in our next review. Be careful with the market. Always protect your capital. For those that protect their capital are those that will stay longer in the market. Peace and love. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.